Are you looking for some healthy and innovative meal recipes? Welcome to our channel where we love to share our journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Today, we're on day 12 and we've got a special treat for you. We've partnered with the talented professional chef, Mr. Mustafa, who has curated 3 fantastic recipes for us. Each meal from breakfast to dinner is not only delicious, but packed with nutrition. So, get ready to give your taste buds and health a boost as we delve into these delicious recipes, starting with a nutritious breakfast option. Kickstart your day with our healthy egg taco, a breakfast that's both tasty and nutritious. To whip up this flavorful delight, you'll need a couple of beaten eggs, a quarter cup of chopped red bell pepper, the same amount of chopped onion, and low-fat shredded cheese. You'll also need 2 whole wheat taco shells, a teaspoon of olive oil, and a sprinkle of chopped parsley for garnish. The first step is to heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and drizzle in your olive oil. Once the oil is hot, toss in your chopped red bell pepper and onion. Give them a good stir and sauté until they're slightly softened, releasing their sweet and savory aromas. Now, it's time for the eggs. Pour your beaten eggs into the pan, scramble them gently until they're cooked through, creating a soft, fluffy base for your taco. While your eggs are cooking, heat another pan and gently warm your whole wheat taco shells until they're crispy and golden brown. Now for the fun part, assembly. Fill your crispy taco shells with the deliciously scrambled eggs. Then sprinkle a generous amount of low-fat shredded cheese on top, which will melt beautifully over the warm eggs. To finish off, garnish your healthy egg taco with a sprinkle of chopped parsley. The vibrant green of the parsley not only adds a pop of color, but also a fresh herby flavor that complements the eggs and cheese wonderfully. And voila, your healthy egg taco is ready to be savored. This breakfast is not only delicious, but it's also packed with protein and nutrients to fuel your day. The crisp taco shell provides a satisfying crunch, while the soft scrambled eggs and melted cheese create a delightful contrast of textures. Plus, with the added freshness of the bell pepper, onion and parsley, you're getting a good serving of veggies first thing in the morning. This healthy egg taco is more than just a breakfast dish. It's a celebration of flavors and textures that will make your mornings something to look forward to. So, go ahead and give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. Moving on to a refreshing lunch recipe, let's prepare the quinoa mango chicken salad. Infused with succulent grilled chicken, wholesome quinoa and the tropical tang of ripe mangoes, this salad is a delightful balance of flavors and textures, assured to rejuvenate your senses and nourish your body. Let's dive into the ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 2 grilled chicken breasts sliced into thin strips, 1 ripe mango peeled and diced, and 1 diced tomato. Also, keep a quarter cup of chopped parsley handy. Finally, for the dressing, all you need is the juice of 1 lemon and salt and pepper to taste. Now let's craft this symphony of flavors. Start by taking a large bowl. In it, combine the cooked quinoa and the grilled chicken slices. The quinoa brings a nutty flavor and a lovely crunch, while the grilled chicken adds a smoky and savory dimension. Next, add the diced mango and tomato to the mix. The mango introduces a sweet and tangy flavor, while the tomato imparts a juicy and refreshing taste. Then sprinkle in the chopped parsley. This will add a hint of earthiness and a pop of color to your salad. For the dressing, take a small bowl and mix the lemon juice, salt and pepper. The lemon juice will add a zesty tang, while the salt and pepper will enhance the overall flavor of the salad. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss well. Make sure every bit of quinoa, every strip of chicken, and every cube of mango and tomato gets coated with the dressing. This ensures an even distribution of flavors, and a burst of taste in every bite. Once your salad is well tossed, chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. This will allow all the flavors to meld together beautifully, making your salad even more delicious. And there you have it, a vibrant, refreshing, and utterly delicious quinoa mango chicken salad. This salad is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. The quinoa is rich in fiber and protein, the chicken provides lean protein, the mango is packed with vitamin C, and the tomato is a great source of vitamins A and C. So, you see, this quinoa mango chicken salad is the perfect lunch recipe. It's healthy, it's delicious, and it's super easy to make. So why wait? Treat yourself to this refreshing and nutritious salad today. There you have it, a delicious and healthy quinoa mango chicken salad ready for lunch. For dinner, we have a delectable grilled salmon with yogurt cucumber sauce. Let's dive right into the ingredients. You'll need 2 salmon fillets, each weighing between 150 to 200 grams. For the sauce, gather half a cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. You'll also need salt and pepper to taste and 1 cucumber sliced into thin rounds. The first step to creating this delightful dish is to prepare the yogurt cucumber sauce. In a small bowl, combine Greek yogurt, lemon juice, minced garlic, and cumin. Stir these together until they're well blended. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper, then give it another quick stir. Let the sauce rest while we move on to the salmon. Before we start grilling, let's take a moment to prep our salmon. Clean your fillets thoroughly under cold running water, then pat them dry with a paper towel. After that, season the salmon fillets with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Now, let's get grilling. Heat a grill pan with a thin layer of oil over medium heat. Once the pan is hot enough, place your salmon fillets on it. The secret to a perfect grill is not to move the salmon around too much. Let it sit and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until the salmon is fully cooked and has a beautiful golden color. As the salmon cooks, you'll notice it starts to change from a reddish color to a lovely opaque pink. This is the sign that your salmon is cooked to perfection. Remember, it's better to undercook than overcook your salmon, as it will continue to cook a bit more off the heat. Once your salmon is cooked to your liking, it's time to assemble our dish. Plate the grilled salmon and generously drizzle over the tangy yogurt cucumber sauce. The cool, creamy sauce contrasts beautifully with the warm, flaky salmon. For the final touch, arrange the thinly sliced cucumber rounds around the salmon. This will add a refreshing crunch to every bite. And there you have it, grilled salmon with yogurt cucumber sauce, a dinner dish that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. This dish can also be served with a side of steamed vegetables or cooked brown rice for a more filling meal. The choice is yours. Remember, cooking is an art that requires a balance of flavors and textures. The key to a great dish is using fresh ingredients and cooking them in a way that brings out their best flavors. And that's your dinner sorted, a luscious grilled salmon with a tangy yogurt cucumber sauce. And that's a wrap for today's healthy and innovative meal recipes. We've explored some exciting avenues of nutritious cuisine, starting with our breakfast, a vibrant, healthy egg taco. This delightful dish, packed with eggs, red bell pepper, onion, and low-fat cheese, all nestled in a whole wheat taco shell, promises a flavorful start to your day. Next, we moved on to the quinoa mango chicken salad for lunch. The combination of protein-packed quinoa, succulent grilled chicken, and the sweet and tangy mango makes this salad a refreshing midday meal. The lemon dressing adds that extra zest, making every bite a symphony of flavors. Finally, for dinner, we savored the grilled salmon with yogurt cucumber sauce. The tender, perfectly grilled salmon fillet paired with the creamy yogurt cucumber sauce offers a satisfying end to the day. And not to forget the side of steamed vegetables or brown rice, adding that wholesome touch to your meal. These recipes aren't just about eating healthy, but also about enjoying the process of cooking and savoring meals that are good for you. We encourage you to try these recipes, put your unique spin on them, and share your culinary experiences in the comments. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay healthy and happy cooking.